Hey guys, further we'll be making this beautiful hairstyle. For that we'll make a ponytail on the side and rotate it using this hairstyling tool. After we are done with this rotation, we will tie the hairs like these, divide it into two sections from the end, fold it and it's ready. Next we will tie the plaits on the sides like these, tie the hairs together, rotate it and then fix the plaits on it and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs like these, then put the threads on the hair, then make the plaits to fix the thread. After we are done with the fixing, we will tie all the hairs together to make the plaits and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs like these, then we will divide the hairs into two sections and then rotate it. Now fix the plaits on it as shown. Make a bow-like shape and then we will tie rest of the hairs like these and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will make some more beautiful hairstyles. So for that, we'll be tying a ponytail like this, make the plaits on it, fix them using the rubber bands, divide it into equal sections using the rubber bands like these, fix the hairs on the end and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the ponytail on both the sides, divide it into equal sections using these rubber bands. Then we will fold the hairs upward like this, fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs like these, make a web-like shape on the back, tie it and then rotate it, then fix it on the upward side and then tie the bun and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the ponytail on the back, roll the hairs and then fold it upward to make a bun. Fix it as shown in the video and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching.